This project explores AI-powered historical reconstruction and cinematic reality transformation using Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, ComfyUI, Stable Diffusion, and ControlNet Depth. The goal is to transform present-day aerial footage or real-world imagery into believable historical versions of the same location while preserving the original camera movement, perspective, terrain, and geometry. The system works by analyzing modern images or flight footage with AI depth estimation and structural guidance models. ControlNet Depth allows the AI to understand the spatial relationships in scene composition, enabling realistic transformations instead of random image generation. Historical architecture, landscapes, and environments are then reconstructed using diffusion models guided by prompts and reference data. This creates smooth travel back in time, cinematic visuals where ruins rebuild themselves. Modern cities transform into historical periods, and landscapes evolve naturally into their original appearance. The project combines real-world simulation, AI-assisted reconstruction, and cinematic rendering to create immersive historical visualization experiences.